Hello everyone, this is Zoe from Moresuperhard Company. Today we're gonna show you some resin bond products. Let's go on watching together. CNC2 grinder is used for tungsten carbide, high-speed steel, stainless drill, end mill and reamer. Carbide round tools mainly include flute grinding, gash grinding, end facing, clearance angle cylindrical grinding. Thermal spring technology is used for producing coatings components or reconditioning damaged parts. We can customize and produce various kinds of grinding wheels according to customers' requirements. With a maximum diameter of 1100 mm and a minimum diameter of 25 mm, centerless diamond grinding wheel is used for peripheral grinding of workpieces. There are 3 main types: 1A1, 6A1, 9A1. Features such as high roundness, good surface finish, superior grinding action, and long life. Grinding wheels for woodworking tools mainly have 4A2, 4B2, 3A1, 14A1, 14F1, and so on. Grinding wheels for woodworking tools with high efficiency, durability, good sharpening, making workpiece a good flatness and roughness. Back grinding wheels are used for the thinning and fine grinding of the silicon wheel. Back grinding wheels can be used for the Japanese, German, American, Korean, and other countries' grinders. Thanks for watching and welcome to our website to get more information. See you next time.